Hello everyone, this is how we making pineapple cake. We got the flour. It's already been made. We bought a box that is like ready. We poured the egg. We're gonna add some water. So this is my son. He wanted to bake with me today, so yep, this is my quality time with him. Here I am pouring the water. We stirring the flour, stirring it, mix it to make the dough. Here I am putting the pineapple in the pan. We are putting the pineapple in the pan. As you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, okay guys? I know it's been a while. I haven't made any new videos, but hey, today I decided, since it's Thanksgiving, to share this video with y'all, how to make pineapple cake. So here it is. We add in cherries. We add in cherries. It looks very, very good. I put butter inside the pan so the dough doesn't stick. Once it's in, it doesn't stick, so I can reverse it. So I added butter inside of the pan, okay guys? So now we're gonna pour the dough inside. We're gonna pour it in. Gotta remove every residue. Yeah. And now let's pour it. Let's put it in. It's a little bit sticky, so I didn't want it to be too watery, you know. So I think it's just fine like this. Yeah, it's a little hard to pour it, but we did it. So here it is, and now we put it under the oven. So I didn't show you the part that we reverse it, but you guys have to reverse it